The little girl, Miss Pink. Hey, Miss Pink. Hey, Miss Pink. Hey, looky here. I see you, girl. That's Miss Pink. Okay, Miss Pink, let's put the next baby up. Okay, this is the largest of the little boys, Mr. Blue. Hey, Mr. Blue. Hey, Mr. Blue. Looky here, look at me, Mr. Blue. That's Mr. Blue. He's the larger of the boys. The next one in size in the boys is Mr. Yellow. Hey, Mr. Yellow. Hey, Mr. Yellow, look. Psst, psst, look at here, buddy. Mr. Yellow, look at here. You won't look. You're looking at toys. That's Mr. Yellow. Okay, come here, Mr. Yellow. And then the smaller of the boys is Mr. White. Hey, Mr. White. Look here, Mr. White, over here. He's like, what did you just do to me? Come here, Mr. White. Look at the camera. Look here, buddy. Hey, Mr. White. Look at there. That's Mr. White. Just Mr. White. And then we'll put everybody up here to play with toys. Come on, guys. Everybody come here. Everybody stay right there. Don't fall off. Stay right there. Don't fall. Come here, guys.
Baby mine, don't you cry. Baby mine, dry your eyes. Rest your head close to my heart. Never depart, baby mine. Little one, when you play, pay no heed what they say. Let your eyes sparkle and shine, never fear, baby mine. If they knew all about you, they'd end up loving you too. All those same people who scold you, what they give just for the right to hold you. From your head down to your toes, you're not alone, goodness knows. But you're so precious to me, sweet as can be, baby of mine.
Hey, Mr. Blue, look at me, Mr. Blue. No. Okay, Mr. White. Mr. White. Hey, Mr. White. Mr. White. Hey, Mr. White. Hey, Mr. White. Okay, Mr. Yellow, come here. Sorry, Miss Pink. Mr. Yellow. Mr. Yellow. I see you, Mr. Yellow. And Miss Pink, you're just trying to get in on the action? Yes, you are. Miss Pink, you trying to steal the show. Yes, you are. Miss Pink, you trying to steal the show. Yes, you are. Hey, Mr. Blue. Hey, Mr. Yellow. Hey. Oh, come here, Miss Pink. You just trying to steal the show. Mr. White, come back over here. Tell Mr. White. Mr. White. Okay, guys. Miss Pink. Whoops. You're a tough little broad. Yes, you are. Just fall right off and get up and go again and just sneeze about it. Yeah. You're funny. You are funny. Okay, Mr. Yellow. Come here, Mr. Blue. Y'all get back in the middle. Get back in the middle. Mr. White. Mr. Yellow. Miss Pink. Okay, Mr. Blue. Mr. Blue, you better fall off too. Whoa, Miss Pink. You did it again. You're a tough little knocker. You're a tough little knocker. You little fart. Look at you. You gonna do it again? You like bouncing off, huh? You like bouncing off. Yeah, you're a tomboy. Yeah, you're a tomboy. Yes, you're a tomboy. Yes, you are. Watch you jump off again. Miss Pink, don't do that again. Hey, guys. Hey, y'all need to stay in the middle. There. Hey, Miss Pink, you trying to jump off. Yeah, you think you're gonna jump off again. You think that's fun, huh? Now, Mr. Blue, you fixing to do it. Okay, we have to stop this. YouTube will make us stop and they'll cut out our film, so we better make it stop. Tell them bye-bye. Everybody, say bye-bye. 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 Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come here. Mr. White, Mr. Yellow. Everybody say bye. Psst, psst, psst. Say bye-bye.